Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to play the mobile games, Android or iOS games on your PC or laptop, then this video is for you. First, you have to simply open your browser and simply search for BlueStack. Let me show you. If you are on BlueStack homepage here, you can find download BlueStacks option. So BlueStack is a emulator, a mobile emulator that can actually let you access your mobile games on your all the mobile features and the mobile application on your PC. So it actually works really good, and it is one of the most famous and most rated, high rated mobile emulator that you can use in your PC. Otherwise, you can go with the BlueStack, and you can go with the game loop here. You can search for game loop and you can find game loop here, where you can actually download it from its official webpage, where you can simply download the game loop. Or I'm just using the BlueStack, so simply click on download BlueStack and it will start downloading your BlueStack installer file. I have already installed BlueStack here, the BlueStack 5. There's two types of BlueStacks are available: BlueStacks 5 or BlueStacks 10 or BlueStacks X. So you can simply double click on it and you have to wait until this loads here at the loading screen. So first it installer, then give the permissions, all of the permission, then it will start downloading your additional data. Then after downloading all of the additional data, then it will start installing on your PC. So I have already installed it and now it's just starting. So this is the starting screen, so you have to wait until it loads properly. So you can see it has just loaded here and it pretty much look like a phone. Let me show you. If you simply click on my games here at the top, so simply click on it and it is a mobile section here, just like this. Here is the navigation section here, where you can find all of the notification. Let me show you, just like this. And from here, if you click on this system apps section, then folder, then you will find the Play Store, and you can simply click on it and you can enjoy all the mobile games and applications that are currently available in Play Store. So this is the back button here, or this is the home button, and this is the recent tab button, where you can just click clear all the recent tabs from here. Already I have played 3 of these mobile games here. You can go with them, you can play them easily. So you can just open it and try it as you open like on mobile. And also you can set the keyframe from here. Simply click on it and you can set the controller. So let me close it, just like this. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.